Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another video of mine on the review of the Good Vibes Orange Blossom Regenerating Scrub. This is of 50 grams and packaging I shall not speak about because I've spoken a lot about packaging of Good Vibes product in my previous video, so you can go and check them out, and all the details of the product I mentioned here. And how you have to apply is very simple. Scrub is you just have to wet your face and apply it, and then leave it for scrub it for some time, and then leave it for better results, and then take it off with normal water. So like I always damage my the rim of all my Good Vibes while unpacking them, I decided this time not to do that, and I found a solution to it. I just cut this off instead of pulling this so that I save my rim look. And I have opened the product here, and this is how it comes. And like and this is the orange scrub. This is a very light orange tinted scrub, which is well thick in consistency, very well moisturized and very hydrated one, very creamy stuff in it. And yeah, let's look at the content. This is the content I've picked up for you, and let's check that out. Aroma is just awesome, herbally orange, and the cream looks light tinted orange. And this is the texture of the scrub, very well consistency and very well smoothing effects. It glides very well, and the granules are apt for it to be whatever work it has to do as scrub. These granules, the size of the granules are amazing and exactly according to what they should be working on. So thinking about that, the granule size has been maintained very well. So this part I love it the most. Maintain the size of the granules, which is very nice, and amazing aroma. So this is my review on this product. Recently I have reviewed the other scrub as well from Good Vibes. If you could remember, if you have seen that video, that was the lime and basil. So this is another scrub which I've picked from Good Vibes. That's the orange blossom. So orange blossom is good for regenerating your skin, whereas lime and basil is good for deep cleansing your skin. Everybody knows lime works wonderfully, effectively and amazingly well and good on your skin to remove off your dirt, and it helps in cleaning your skin very nicely and the open pores. So orange is always better to give you a new take off the tanness and give you a rejuvenating and fresh look. So these are my two products, and this was my video. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected. I shall be back with another video. Until then, take care of your health, stay happy, stay blessed, and bye bye.